welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this. This is the Sentro tube style knitter. It's a knitting machine. It is a loom, but it does it itself is what it says. And on this channel we go through crafts and what we're going to basically explore crafts, different kinds I have never done, kinds of crafts that I have done, and we're going to tinker with some crafts, and we'll see how horrible I am at some of these. It may be quite hilarious. I saw this online. This is supposed to be a 48 pin. Okay. Silly box. Get out of here. There we go. Okay. Has instructions. Ooh, it has a nifty little... I could scan to find out. It's all in another language on this side. This is the English side. So it's supposed to have a counter, tension control, and all that. Oh, it comes with yarn. That's a very thin skein of yarn. That's all right. It'll make good for salvage. Okay. What else we got here? Oh, boy. The knitter itself oh good, it comes with a screwdriver. I'm just thinking I did not bring my screwdriver in here. Alright, so it's got legs, suction cups for the legs. From what I've seen online, this is the tension. It's hard to see, isn't it? It's got little holes in it. Of course, it has a crochet hook so that you can hook anything coming loose. And it's got 3 different style of yarn pins. Okay. Let's check this out. First, we'll put the legs on. And screws. In here with the little suction cup feet. Okay. These little screws are tiny. Teeny tiny. Oh, thank goodness, the little screwdriver is magnetic. They knew I was going to be doing this. So, what I've seen online is that this one is, everyone says it likes to drop stitches when you first begin, so you have to go like way slow. But compared to some of the other brands, a lot of the other brands were multiple hundreds, and somewhere in storage I do own a big knitter knitting machine. I think it's, not sure if it's a Brother. I think it's a Brother brand. I don't remember if they make them, but I keep thinking Brother. But it has issues. I bought it used, and I think it's got bent pins, so when I tried to use it, I couldn't get it to, there was like one whole section that no matter how many times I tried, no matter how slow I went, no matter how careful I was, it just wouldn't work. And I'm not a knitter. Actually, it's a funny story. When I was, probably middle school, I'd say. I don't think I was a high school student yet. My mother crocheted and knitted and all that kind of stuff. And, oh no. Oh, there it is. And I said, I want to learn. So Mom said, okay, you know. So she starts teaching me. And we start with knitting. And I am gaining and losing stitches. I have no idea what I'm doing. My mom looks at it. She can't figure out what I'm doing. So she took the knitting needles away from me, handed me a crochet hook, and says maybe one tool is better. So I tried crocheting, and I'm actually really good at crocheting, but as I've gotten older, I'm having problems with arthritis, and it just gets too hard to do crocheting. I love crocheting, but I can't really do it. So I heard that knitting you could do, you know, with arthritis. Oh, those are a doozy. I wonder if I put some oil on them, if they slide in better. They're doozies. But anyway, I figured out how to do basic knitting, how to, what do they call it? Casting on, casting off. And I thought, well, now let's go ahead and see about something like this. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, look. It's got a push button to set it to 0. In theory, then, which way do you go? Is it right or left? Oh, okay. So, all right, now I see. All the pegs are pink, except for this white one. That's number 1. Okay. So, that's actually really nice. I wonder. Let's use one of theirs. Okay, the tension. Where's the tension go? I'm assuming it goes right up here with the, oh, my craft table. I love this little craft table. I picked it up, I think, at a thrift store or used. No matter what I did, I got to use. I'm a cheapskate. So, or frugal. So anyway, it is metal, which I have found when sewing, it is so amazing. So if you're making patterns, you can use magnets to hold things in place. Crafting, you can use magnets. It's got 2 wings on the sides that like pop up. So it just, so I believe it said go 1 in, oops, that is not catching, catch, there we go, out, in, out, in, out, in. Thinking I might want, if I get into this really well, I may end up wanting to get a ball, bowl, yarn ball, or a maker for one. Am I? Looks like I'm catching them all. Okay. So I don't know if anybody has one and can give me the plus and minus ideas on if a yarn bowl is even needed. Does somebody have something they use? Can you use a regular bowl for your yarn? I mean, oh, missed that. Overshooting here. So we do every other one. In, out, in, out. All right. Now, put that in here, and we put it through the tension. And we're going to try the medium tension on this. All right. That's neat how it grabs it. Now with this, it said go really slow for, I think somebody said the first 10, go really slow on the first 10. The suction cups keep in place. very nicely. It runs fairly smooth. We're on the second row. My yarn came loose. Maybe I should. It's going to adjust the tension more. Probably would actually be better if I just dropped that onto the floor over there.